Champ Term Book, Series 5. Term 1, Science. Chapter 1, Living Things. You see many living things in your day-to-day life. You may find some plants as small as grass or rose bushes and others as big as the huge banyan trees. Similarly, you may see big animals like elephants as well as small animals like house lizards. Though the living things look so different from one another, yet they have a number of common characteristics. Let us study these common features in detail. Thus, growth is a permanent increase in the size and weight of a living thing. A living thing grows with the passage of time. Its size and weight increase gradually. Do animals also grow? Note the changes, if any, in the body of the pup. Don't you find an increase in the height, weight and length of the pup? This is nothing but growth. Thus, animals also show growth. As a result of this growth, a small pup develops into a dog, a kitten develops into a cat and a baby develops into a tall boy or girl. Thus, both plants and animals show growth. All living things do not grow at the same rate. Some grow faster and some grow slower than others. Plants continue growing throughout their life while animals stop growing long before their death. New organs, such as leaves, flowers and branches, may arise during the growth of plants. But, in animals, no new organs are produced during their growth. Moreover, plants have the power of regeneration. Whenever a branch of some plant is broken, a new branch grows in its place. Most of the animals do not possess this power. They cannot develop new body parts. But a few animals such as a house lizard, starfish, hydra and earthworm show this power of regeneration to some extent. Whenever, in an accident, the tail of a house lizard is cut off from its body, a new tail grows in its place in due course of time. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. In the same way, if the body of a hydra is cut into half, two new hydras are formed. The power of producing new body parts in place of the broken parts is called regeneration. Some of our body parts like hairs and nails also show the capacity to regenerate. Thus, growth is a common feature of all living things. Living things respond to stimuli. Most animals react to heat, sound, light, taste and touch. Some plants also react to heat, touch and light. Darken the room and throw torchlight at the animals. Note the reaction of different animals towards the light. Some of the animals may move towards the light while others may move away from it. Similarly, note the reaction of different animals when a loud sound is produced by beating a drum near the animals. Now, bring a heated iron rod near the small animals such as snails and earthworms and observe the reactions of these animals. Similarly, you may note the reactions of different animals towards sweet, sour, salty or bitter food items. Any outside factor that causes a living thing to react is called a stimulus. Light, sound, touch, electricity and heat are all external stimuli. The reaction of a living body towards a stimulus is called response. All animals show response to the external stimuli. Do plants, too, respond to the external stimuli? Responses to stimuli are more evident in animals than in plants. An animal or a human being's responds to stimuli more quickly than plants. Thus, all living things have a capacity to respond to the external stimuli. The capacity to respond to external stimuli is called irritability. So growth, movement and irritability are some of the features of all living things. Plants and animals are interdependent. Plants are different from animals in many ways, but without one other cannot survive. They need each other. All animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Herbivores like goat and cows directly depend on plants for food as they eat leaves and other parts of the plant. Carnivores, like lion and tiger, eat flesh of other animals, indirectly depend on plants. Many animals like birds, monkeys and some insects find shelter on trees. Animals need oxygen for respiration, which is given out by plants when they make their food in the presence of sunlight, water and air. Plants need carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which is given out by animals during respiration. Many plants are reproduced due to the dispersal of seeds by animals and human beings.